How to change a cover photo without notifying anyone on Facebook. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Facebook application, then go to your profile. After that, tap on your cover picture, then tap on choose cover photo. Simply select a cover picture, and in order to not notify anyone on Facebook, you have this uncheck this box where it says share your update to newsfeed. After you have unchecked this box, simply tap on save and share it. Doing this way will not notify anyone on Facebook that you have changed your cover photo, nor it will be appeared on their newsfeed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.